I see a lot of people baking with fruits and vegetables. You will need to do some research before continuing or joining them. Baking that cake with fruits in it doesn't enhance the nutritional value of the cake. You have actually destroyed the nutritive value. Don't convert healthy food to junk in high temperatures. First process of digestion starts in our mouth, where we chew and mix it with our saliva. So cooked food is generally second-hand food that is already digested one time by heat, and due to heat, the chemical composition of that food changes. Nutrient contents of food are often destroyed by heat. So to benefit the body, most fruits are better eaten raw. Leave them out from baking pastries and cakes. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, B6, E, and K are not destroyed by heat. Research the vegetables and fruits you want to use in baking this year, 2025, so you give your family a healthy treat. Banana contains vitamin B6 and C. Yes, you can use it to bake. However, you'll lose the vitamin C in it completely. This past Christmas, I baked myself a yummy carrot, fruit and almond cake. Of course, with the much talked about corn flour on my channel. Watch my other videos on how powerful corn flour is. And of course, how easy it is to bake. Next video is on emotional intelligence. Come back to watch and listen to it so you can be in full control of your emotions in 2025 and beyond. Thank you.